channel's not that bad. It's
All views expressed by the hosts and guests in this podcast are solely their opinions and do not reflect the opinions of their respective employers. Guests and hosts may maintain positions in the assets discussed in this podcast. This podcast is for informational purposes only, and nothing in the podcast is intended to be financial, legal, or even life advice.
Am I here?
Yes, sir. You're live.
All right, let's go. Or should we let this count down all the way?
Let's just wait a bit more. Professional streamer.
Professional.
Hey.
Do you think like people are not haven't been long enough to remember this now?
I know, right? Showing our age.
Big connect.
I don't want to get sued by him, but anyway.
Is he still around?
I don't know. Like I saw he was around in 2021. He was like a fitness coach, like, you know, one of those like I don't know, like he was running around in like New York. He's like recording himself, you know, with this one like, yeah, it's a health, and so I was like, okay, it's cool.
Right. What is up,
doing,
man?
What
I'm
is up?
good. Do you want to share coin?
Ooh.
Let's go.
Ooh, there you go. There you go. 1 hour chart, right? It's your favorite.
Yeah.
Okay.
And close the sidebar.
Yeah, I'm not a user of this. Wait, why is this so laggy? It's not allowing me to close it. Come on. There you go. Okay.
It's
so
actually a
seems
very
like,
shit platform. It's just that I've gotten used to it. Like, what do
Why
you
are we
use
so
to just check on the market movement consistently, actually?
Just Coin Gecko, man. I'm old. And like Velo and so on. Yeah.
The thing is, like, I feel like this is like the best sentiment checker. But like, the thing is, like, you just use this, and then you go into Velo and CoinGecko to see whatever fuck.
To like see the details, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I like CoinGlass, but that was when I was a lot more serious at, I guess, like looking at, you know, when I was doing report on like liquidation map and so on. Yeah.
I'm too cheap, lah. Do you want to buy CoinGlass for me?
Oh, it's free, bro.
No. Oh, you just use the commons, the tabs.
Yeah. I mean, like you can see like the Coinbase Premium and so on. So it's actually decent.
But it's like all these information is good, but it doesn't give you an overview. Like unless you're clicking, so like it's not like something at the side that you can just see. But like heat map is always like the better one. But yeah, like, alright, bro, you missed out, man. The live yesterday with Hard Ethereum was pretty good.
Oh yeah, sorry man, couldn't make it. But like I saw the views was pretty good. Yeah, like what's the main takeaway for those who also missed it?
Well, basically he was just very open about how he makes money, how he made money, and then his perk trading strategies, his style of trading, recommending readings, and then yeah, it was pretty good because I was surprised how much he shared. Like, we even whipped up some charts, and he talked through how he's reading like Zcash, FART, and stuff like that. I thought that was pretty good. Well, at least it was entertaining for me, I guess.
What's his main edge? Is it perp?
So funny. So I think he's quite similar to me actually. Made his money off like on-chain stuff, and then realized perks is the future. And then, but I think he started perks more like he started getting more serious with perks earlier than me. Like again, because like I used to do quite a bit of perks, and I stopped because on-chain was easier to make money. I think he felt that a bit earlier because I don't think he's a meme coin guy. So because of the meme coin thing, I was staying around for a little bit longer in it.
I see. Yeah, because like perps, I don't know. Yeah, perps just a different beast. I think like some people are really good at it, but no, like I'm glad that the audience gets some out of it. What else have you been seeing? You know, like CT's been kind of dead. I guess there's a couple interesting like launches coming out next week and so on. There was a couple ICO on Solana. Yeah, but like what else are you looking at?
FOGO just launched their Hyperliquid launch on Hyperliquid.
Oh, on like
pre-market.
Pre-market. Oh, what's the valuation? Let's see. I like how it like auto sent me to like the XPL because I was looking at XPL a lot back then. Okay, 1.2 B. Oh shit! But I mean,
this was launched an hour ago. Well, but wait, where do you see the valuation?
Oh, I'm just assuming.
No. I think. Yeah. I haven't had time to check it just now. I think this is like maybe 12 mil, not B.
What? No
maybe
way.
12 mil. 120 mil. Sorry.
Really? Okay.
Because their round was at 100 mil last time. They raised 10 mil at 100 mil on Echo, right? And I'm just guessing. So it's either 120 mil or 1.2.
Anybody on the group
Bill.
chat or on chat knows what's the right answer of this?
It sounded like I'm pretty sure it's 120 mil, man. I haven't looked at the tokenomics, but it sounds like it. If not, like you see more people like, oh my god, Echo have won again. I mean, the volume is too small, anyways.
Right. Because this is 2.9.
Hanjay is saying it's a short.
Yeah.
Oh wait. I think it's B actually.
Yeah, like I think Hyperliquid used the same standard. What is the FD? What is the token supply that you use to calculate?
That's one thing I don't like about Hyperliquid, right? You know, in Bybit stuff, like next to indicators or above indicators, there's typically like a data which you can click into it and just see like total number of supply of tokens, contract address, all those kind of shit.
Yeah, I'm like trying to find more information here, but like I guess it's it should
no, you can see the tokenomics of FOGO and then you know, but it's just that I don't have the exact numbers.
I see. Got it. Okay.
Yeah. It might be 1.2. Hanjay in the group chat say it's 1.2.
Is it a short for you if it's at 1.2?
Bruh, I'm on holiday, man. I'm not shorting.
Wait,
well,
yes, confirm.
I mean,
It's 1.2. I just checked. It's they have 10 billion in token supply, so it's 1.2.
It's a short for me.
You're gonna get blown out back.
So not. But I won't short it just because like look at the fucking liquidity, bro. Like it's
yeah, what is it?
It's shit. But like if this was a like at current stage, if they launch token, it might be a short for me, just because no product, nothing hype. Was not as big as Mona, XPL, and stuff, but they all shit went to zero, right? So like you might as well, like like from tendency point of view. But I don't know the flow or dynamic anything, right?
Yeah, but I'm kind of glad on the other side that they stopped raising at like 100, right? So I feel like the market is starting to go, okay, like if it's like 500 or like low end 300, if they do well, like 700, if there's hype, like there's more fair market price. But if they launch at this price, it's definitely going to go like this first. Yeah.
But whatever. Oh yeah, 100 confirmed is 10B token supply.
Yeah. So it's 1.2. Dude, I said that. Come on, you're not listening to me.
I trust him. Shit, I trust our followers.
Shit. Okay. Wait, let's look at Stable. Is Stable also live? Wait, Stable has TGE? Like, Have I been so out of the loop for this?
Well, no, stables it's a pre-market, no?
Is this a different
Yes,
stable?
but why is it not in? Oh shit! Yeah, it's launched already. I didn't farm it. When did it launch?
That's why, like I thought, okay, wow, now this podcast becomes Marco and Lambro discovering news because they haven't.
I wasn't able to play with like because of the whole deposit thing, and I just gave up. And then XPL like you're the one that wants to talk about stable coin, bruh. I thought you're a stable coin expert.
Yeah, no, but a stable because of the botting, like the whole that stuff. I was like, I couldn't. Like I was sniping it, and then like probably sharing too much details. But yeah, like fucking KYC and so on. So I'm like, this is just weird. But I don't see it on any. And oh wait, I'm checking on CoinGecko right now. 1.7 billion FDV for stable. Is it a long or short for you?
I'm not touching it. I don't understand it enough. Like I really don't understand enough.
Anyway,
Say partnered with. Can you go to the Say chart? Say partnered with Xiaomi actually.
Yeah, like I saw that. Yeah, with like Xiaomi. Right?
But zero pump basically.
Yeah, bro, this is such.
No,
yeah,
go 1 hour. Go 1 hour.
Yeah.
Let's give them a fair shot. I mean, it's not bad, but like.
Bro, it's pretty bad. But yeah, I mean, I think it's just like partnership really means like unless it's like new cash flow. But okay, maybe like anyway, this is a pretty good segue into we just want to talk about things that we find interesting, and maybe like right away because we just talked about like token valuation, say and so on. I want to show a tweet that I like. I don't think I've shared this with you, but I want to show this. What do you think about this strategy? So this guy, Dean, if you don't know him, right? Dean is a pretty OG guy. So he's an OG investor. He used to be at a bunch of firm. Like he didn't put it here, but he was at Dialectic, which is like one of the super OG fund. I think it's like a Switzerland fund, a bunch of former Polychain guys and so on. Now he's starting this new fund, which basically it's a bunch of fancy language, but what they're trying to say is they are gonna unlock value that's locked behind bad governance. So I'm gonna, at the very bottom, right? I'm just gonna share this with you. You tell me what you think. Our strategy, blah, 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 blah. We identify these teams, work directly with the teams and within their governance frameworks to activate the mechanisms that surface. So I guess it's like uni and some other shit perhaps, but
wait, so that means tokenomics update basically.
Yeah, but it's basically like activist investor really like aggressively gonna like make sure you accrue value to the token. So I think this aligns with like people like Arthur from Defiance. They've been saying about stuff like this. I just don't know how, like I don't know enough of the legal stuff of how much they can actually do to do this sort of stuff, right?
What's their background again?
This guy, I don't know their exact. I mean, like I have to look at the team. I mean, he himself, like I know, is like famous for. He was a Dialectic. Yeah, it's like a pretty big fund.
Okay, my take is that for me, I don't know enough to comment on this, but
I don't think
when they move and try to do something, I'll try to bit it, and if it works, it might become a habit. It might be a trend-changing momentum, if that makes sense. But like I've seen quite a few guys that try to do this, right?
Yeah, it's very hard. Yeah, it's almost like I don't know how to say it, but I feel like you almost have a bit. Okay, this is hot. Like throwing some hot topic out there, I do think you have to be a bit mafia-like to run something.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Like, fucking thing. He used to do that. That Twitter guy does that all the time, right? Like he finds like under 100 mil token and then do some DAO governance shit and then pump his own bags.
Yeah.
But okay, let's be optimistic, right? If you're this famous guy, famous investor, would you really write an article without a support or plan B?
No, yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Like you already have like 1 to 2 lined up. So like, bro, if he's willing to gamble a bit of his reputation, I'm willing to gamble my money, and then I can size up as it go fit. So can you look at his portfolio And then is there any more edge? Like, oh, bro, like, I don't want news that don't make money. Shit. What's his handle? What's his Twitter handle? Let's follow him.
Wait, one good website for this sort of stuff, I think, is like Root Data, because they can see like personal. It's not just like fund level. Let me see if I can share my screen again for this, but this is interesting, man. Like, we're like stalking people now, but so yep, there you go. So this is his profile, by the way. Why the hell does it not allow me to see his investments?
Yeah, you need to pay now, bro.
No. You only need to connect your wallet. Okay, it's like showing it to me on my other browser.
Can you scroll up? Can you scroll up?
Yeah.
What was his handle?
There you go.
I'm sure he'll be very loud.
Yo, why is this not clicking? Come on. Anyway.
I'm bearish though. His name is Aiden man.
what are you trying to say, bro? Come on. Yeah, 20K. I mean, like, yeah. I think it's interesting.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Prostitution tax evasion. Bruh.
Anyway.
This guy's a
what else
guy.
have you been seeing? What other like interesting tweets?
Not much on my side actually. I've been reading a few things here and there, but like nothing that pushes too hard, to be honest. I mean, the Ethena launched their
oh yeah,
well, I don't even know what's it called. ENAYA.
HyENA.
What the fuck is it?
Yeah.
HyENA.
Bro, it's an animal.
I know that
Yeah.
ugly looking like cheeky animal that eats meat, right?
It is a good name though, because like it's a mixture of those two, and I mean, like I think I was sharing my reference link on your village. You're like, sorry.
Yeah. Fuck you, innit?
No.
But like it's interesting because Ethena closed down their chain, right?
Let's get our facts straight. I don't think they close it down. Like on the CT when it happens, because like I think Terminal Finance said that they're gonna close down, right? Because like Converge takes too long, blah blah. And then I think I'm seeing on the replies like it's not really closed down, but maybe it's just moving too slow for Terminal's likeness. And then I think they need to clean up all the different parties. They have the ethereal PerpDex team, which I know is not like, it's an independent team. They always say that, but they get their support. Now they have HyENA, right? So it's just like, I think people are starting to get a bit confused on like where they should be parking their money. And if it continuously happen, it will only makes ENA cheap, right? Because I think you have like Strata Finance trying to build options on top of it. You have like Terminal, blah, blah, blah. It's just too much. You just need to focus on one thing. Say, we are going to king make this. So this is the best like ENA points. And I think HyENA might be that, because I don't know if they're working on anything else. Yeah. Are you like farming there? I mean, they have like a 12%. If it's like a good long if you want a long there.
Yeah, I'm thinking. I haven't set up. I've been on holiday. I've been chilling. This is more on my to-do list today. That to have a good feel. But like I had a quick look at their books. It's not that thick yet. At least yesterday.
Yeah, but I think but I think if it's like for like just like macro Bitcoin long, that's not like too high leverage. Like 2-3x. I think.
What do you mean long? You get 12%, by the way. Do you mean your collateral gets 12%?
Yeah. So it's just like much more capital efficient.
Yield at 12% right now?
No. So they boosted for the first month. So like I think the organic yield is like 4%, and then they will give you 8%. Yeah.
But you have the long to it. Can I long USDC?
I don't know. Let's check. But giving our audience something that they might feel like it's more useful. I've been speaking to a lot of people, and like I think it's just this morning, right? Or was it late yesterday? Like Fed just cut interest rate again. I've been seeing more and more people feel 2026 is like animal spirits. Like they're actually bullish 2026. Again, I don't know about altcoin, but this makes me feel like if a big Bitcoin long is a layup trade. What are your take on this? Because like just to like reframe the argument again, it's like basically Trump is going to change the Fed chair, right? Because Jerome Powell is going to, he's going to change that, and then like the interest rates going down. He have midterms coming up. He said he's going to give money from like tariff, and then the counter argument is that like AI bubble is kind of scary, right? Like you're like OpenAI says like we're code red, we're like getting chased by like Google Gemini because it's like better, blah blah. So I feel like there are two opposing views, but I don't know if like what's your take on it?
No strong view. I bought another Bitcoin in dip, but like
there you go.
I don't know, man. Like I want to I can't leverage on this. I just bought some Bitcoin spot and
even just like a 2x, at like 43K like liquidation price. I mean, not I guess like 45 and so on.
The thing is, I get very uncomfortable paying funding fee to hold Bitcoin long. Because like I don't know why I feel like I shouldn't pay, because like I never it's not like I don't have the cash for it. So and then it's just Bitcoin, right? So I don't mind buying this. No, no, it's like I don't know, like I should, but I don't want to. It's weird. Like I can only like long outs actually. Like, and if I were to long majors, it's because it's a pair trade typically, or a very short term trade. But what you said right now is a long. Like if I'm going to get into a trade that's more than 3 to 4 months, I get really uncomfortable using perks.
Yeah, I mean that's fair. It's not even 3 to 4 months. It's like 3 to 4 years, right, for Bitcoin, or even more. Like if some Maxi's gonna be mad at me. 3 or 4 years, 34 years, you mean? But yeah, like we should just be.
Llama doesn't
like,
want to long, but Llama longs every fucking dip, bro. He doesn't want to long. Surprise. Market sentiment. Really. Summarized, yeah, but like these pumps are the strongest pumps, right? Like when people are unsure, conflicting views. But I like one thesis is right. Trump will pump something before he leaves. He needs to pump the fucking market with something.
Yeah, that's just my view. 2026 midterms, because like otherwise, I think he's gonna lose. Yeah.
But whether you have time before the big pump, that's another case. Yeah. And is it too early right now? What would be a confirmation point actually, if you believe in this theory?
There is no. I mean, it's a hard question because, like, once it's obvious, it's already gonna rally, right? Like I think if I'm running a liquid book right now, if I'm a liquid manager, what I would do is, I mean, I would buy. Like, I would buy right now. I'm not gonna like it. I would buy right now. If it dips to like 60, 70 or something, I would like double down, or I would like put margin at that level instead. Like, I would not put margin now, but I would buy. Yeah.
Hey, which do you use Deribit? What option platform do you use for Bitcoin?
Back then I used Deribit. Like these days I don't do as many Bitcoin options.
I just feel like let me see.
You want to do options?
No, I just want to have a look at the price.
See if I can still access it. It's been acquired by Coinbase now, right? Yeah.
I just want to look at the price for around midterm. What's the IV and premium for
Bitcoin?
Bitcoin?
Was the website so slow? I think it's blocking my IP. God damn it.
Wait, you use VPN? Oh my god.
No. I don't use VPN right now. That's why it's blocking my IP. Let's see. Yeah, it's working on freaking
What do you
Arc
think
browser
about
instead.
Someone who claims BTC will go 50 to 60K? I actually think it might happen, and I actually want it to happen. Not gonna lie, bro. Like Llama.
Please don't.
But I think we still haven't experienced the Black Swan event yet. I mean, like
really?
MSTR.
Do you think so?
I think so. I mean, like MSTR, it is a ticking bomb in some sense. Like it wouldn't blow up like FTX, but it will. If it's forced to sell its first hand, I don't think it would trigger any cascade, but it will definitely create some dip in panic. But like 50, 60K, I don't know. Like, so I told my wife that I'm gonna go all in with all the cash at 65 or 70, and then if it goes below to like 50 or 40, I'm gonna sell everything or take leverage to buy every fucking thing.
Then we'll live on the streets.
Yes, I'll live in Marco's garden.
What did she say, bro?
Okay, sure.
Let's move to a cheaper country while you're doing that. Okay, wait.
All right, what was this?
I think this is the price. It's the linear options, right?
Yeah.
So
your mic is a little
midterms
bit
is what?
far.
Yeah, okay. When is midterms? March or something? Wait, it's been so long since I used their platform. Like, which one is more liquid? Is it the inverse? Anyway, you don't have pricing until June for the USDC settled. Yeah, no, this is the OG because I remember they settle everything and they price in freaking Bitcoin, which makes it like hard to like calculate sometimes.
To see, yeah.
Yeah, so this is June. Okay, when is midterms? Let's see. When is US midterm election? November. Oh, it's November 3rd. So it's like, it's still like, yeah, we don't have any pricing yet. I guess this is the closest one. September.
Nah,
At what
not
price
worth
do you
it.
want to see?
Not worth it. I want to see cheap enough price. Like prices that I'm like, okay.
Okay, for our audience, what is cheap? Let's say like you want to buy 150K at like what?
I don't know actually. I'm sorry. I realize I don't know.
Let's get an option guy next time.
Yeah, I realize I don't know. Like I realize like with the volatility, I don't know what's cheap. Like it's definitely not cheap now if you look at the price. Like, yeah, I'm not. How much are you willing to pay for a contract till for option for 120K plus at September?
Like 120K needs to be very cheap, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, what's cheap?
I don't know. Like I need to think about this again. I haven't done option pricing, just to be honest with you, in like a while. But what was that Andrew Kang like ETH put that he went viral for? I think like $80 for like every, like it needs to be like almost like like that
that's
level.
wild.
Yeah.
And it's definitely not now.
Yeah, dude. Another thing I want to talk about. What I found interesting this week is this. Farcaster is shifting into a wallet model. Yeah, I'll give my quick take. I want to hear what you have to say, but I don't want to like dance on somebody's grave, right? Like, oh, like, but I feel that, yeah, like crypto is finance first.
Change
That's
the
it.
world.
Crypto is finance first, right? Like, yeah, I mean, like you can go decentralized social, you can go all of that, but like it is finance first and foremost. I think it's just like, and all these other products, like it just doesn't make sense to raise 100 million to pay a Silicon Valley engineer $800,000 plus 2 million equity bonuses to build a decentralized social network, right? Like to me, it's almost like, bro, you might as well work on like, I don't know, like again, like to me, it's like it's remnants of ZERP era, but for crypto, right? And like obviously Dan is like a very successful, very established, a lot of clout, you know, like Coinbase, like executive, blah blah. So like obviously he can pull this stuff, but not like everybody would have been able to raise that much and burn that much and like get away with it and still got a mansion, right? So like I'm not knocking his hustle, bro. Like dude's crazy. Like I've been seeing his houses on like Instagram. Like damn, okay. So like,
Really?
Yeah, there was a lot of like.
Can you show me? I want to see.
There's gonna be like one of those live session which like, oh man, like are they gonna be mad at us? Okay.
I want to see. I mean,
I think I saw on like some like architectural like magazine or something like that.
Architectural magazine.
I don't want to dox them, so let me quickly like make sure that I get the right link. What?
What do you mean dox them? It's public, right? So it's not.
Actually, not? True, yeah, and like, it's public, and like, I don't even know if they're like living here, but so let me just, hello, okay, but wait, man, come on, okay. You want me to pay for it to like read this shit? Okay, wait a minute.
Yes, please. Are you broke?
wait. Can I open something that's more? Okay, I'm just gonna show like the Google image, man, like whatever. But yeah, it's so when are you launching your own token to buy something like this?
Wow. Okay lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Architectural.
But like
bro.
in the end of the day, right? I think everything in crypto is only at speculating level right now. It's not a social.
Yeah.
Social is going to be a lot later, right? Like,
it's more that like social, if there's no money part, it's whatever, you know. But if let's say if a successful neobank creates a chat system, a chat feature, that might work, right? But it has to come from money first. Like I think that's something that unfortunately, I guess, people are still so bought up in this Web3, right? Like instead of like crypto. I fucking hate the name when like folks say like Web3, but yeah, I mean that's.
did you see
That's
the
it. Yeah, I know
Surf
it's-
AI? Surf AI just raised 15 mil.
I saw that, but I don't know what they're doing. Maybe you can talk me through it.
So Surf AI is, I can't share my screen. Do you want to go Surf AI?
No, it's
So Surf
fine.
AI is basically like a ChatGPT with AI information. It's basically like a custom bot with a lot more database and more API connected to like all the AI stuff. And it's interesting because I've been using it time to time, but it's always been like, it's only for like mid to low research. Like someone say like search what is wet. Wet is like a token.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then it goes and gives you like system, gives you all like tokenomics, etc., etc. But it's interesting because they used to have a wallet system that I paid an NFT for. But
Wait, really? So this is like an OG project?
no. Like it's only a few months ago, and then they actually disable wallet feature, and then they just say they're retiring their wallet, and then ask me to move my key out.
Okay. And then what's your take from that?
How do I change? No, it's just interesting because like they are moving into they are moving into fucking wallet, and we are moving, and Surf AI is moving
Away from wallet.
away
And then,
from
like,
wallet. Yeah.
And then
So
like
the-
Farcaster is moving to wallet, right? Yeah. I think it's because, okay, I mean, again, it's the same logic. When you've raised that much money, you have to go mass market, right? And wallet is the only mode left. Like if you own the distribution somehow, and then I don't know, like maybe there's an angle of them creating. Yeah, I guess it's kind of weird because like I know there have been very Base aligned, but at the same time, Base has its own wallet, right? And then, oh yes, we can see your screen. Yeah, Base has its own wallet, and then like now, like I don't know what's their like political alignments can look like. They're going to be like an independent project, I guess. But yeah.
Yeah, so like you type in the question, how does it work? Is it scalable? I was just looking into like potential risks of HIP3, and then it's pretty good. Like that's just it. And then they used to have a wallet, right? And then they're saying,
wait, Lambro. So for like generic questions like this, like what's the risks of HIP3? Is it better than ChatGPT?
yes. And then also it takes out a more information, and like on-chain token, upcoming people, token movements, kind of shit. Like, let me. Yeah. Here. So like I was looking into this token. It's called BMX before switching up, and I was a bit lazy because I was on holiday, right? So I was like, I can't be bothered, man. Like can you just? I wrote a long prompt to tell me everything, and you can see like the good thing about them is like they can do on-chain listing stuff with like volume, which is ChatGPT can't. And then you can see like the different OI difference, like because like this is like basically a crime token, and I was just trying to figure out is there a crime way to play it. And then you can see like the key trading zones, and then you can see like some on-chain wallets. I don't know where they put it now. Like I was reading it, right? Oh yeah, like where the token is, the top 20 holder distribution on which swap, and stuff like that basically. And the smart wallet movements and stuff like that. So it's basically like a database with a few more things integrated into them. But then the interesting part is they are sunsetting their wallet. See?
Okay, I've never
So,
used
like-
their wallet before, so like I don't.
I
get a
only
lot of
used the wallet to
context
pay.
on this.
I only used the wallet to pay for the subscription actually. So like that's what I'm saying by like and I think wallet is hard game, right? You
Very hard game.
need to like fucking buy like to everyone thinks like GMGN and all those makes a lot of money, right? But it's like 1 in a million. And it's one of those things like it's like a wallet game is only like a few guys that won it all basically.
Yeah. I think Privy is a very powerful product. If wallet is not your main business, it's almost like you don't really need it. Yeah. I don't know. But let's see. I only have one more thing that I wanted to share. I guess it's just I saw shilling my bag, I guess.
Llama is a fucking funny guy. Llama said only if I get $1 every time I say GM.
Come on, bro. Like, how's the Monad airdrop for you, Llama? Is it a This is interesting. Maybe shilling my bags a bit, but I think they're one of the few chains that are. I mean, it's crazy. Like, if this can be, if they get Aave on day one, I think it's very interesting on how the whole stablecoin money Lego, and then I think they're gonna give like 2% or something like that on the liquidity campaign. So there's a lot of farm. Like, okay, I'm gonna stop on this. Are you farming Monad still right now? Do you feel there are things to do? Like, because you're a farmer, right? And there's a new chain. Like, are you farming Monad?
Little bit, yeah. Farming a little bit on the AUST.
Yeah, like why little? Like what makes you like hesitate?
Because I'm on chain poor right now. I'll frame a bunch of money. I'm on chain poor. I have some money that in there, and then like I'm still pussy about DeFi lately. Like I think AUSD is safe, right? But it's like, all right, let's just put 100 or 2 there. Then don't like. Why would you have to go?
I'll throw you a curveball. What if you can keep your money in the bank, use it as collateral, borrow USD, farm it on chain? Oh my god!
Actually, that's pretty good.
We're like going back into we're going back.
I'm actually serious. This is actually good because
actually,
like this is like the mirrored BTC bullshit, right? But we have mirrored USDC.
Okay,
but like, who the fuck is gonna trust the USDC though?
I wonder how that would mechanically work. It will need to be a private lender. It's not just a bank. But
yeah, but then growing a stable coin is hard as well. That's the thing, right? Like, so you need a stable coin that's willing to do that at the same time they can grow.
Yeah,
and then if that stable coin depegs, you're like, hey, it is what it is. I mean, technically, Ethena is a bit like that, right? In some sense, if you think about it, because like if they fully depeg, they can technically give you back the money from their funding rate strategies, because they did mint USDE from strategy, right?
Yeah, I guess if you think about it that way, but yeah, do you think? Yeah, okay. One last question from me. Like, I guess, what is the most exciting things you're doing these days, or is it just nothing? You're just like, I'm just
holding my tick,
bro. I'm like hibernation, bro.
I'm literally that. I'm exercising every day. I'm just talking to random people. I'm holding on my take. My take is still doing quite well right now.
Oh, your take. Okay.
Yeah. My take is still up quite a bit actually, and then hopefully soon lah. Oh, we're back to 89K.
Are you shorting or something?
No. I'm looking to buy some spot, but like I've been waiting to buy some spot. I actually accidentally bought the bottom a little bit, but like, I didn't buy enough. But let's see.
For trading, are you a systems guy? I just met somebody that told me at 1010 he was down quite a lot of his book. Like, he was down. I mean, he didn't use like excessive margin, so he was only down. But it was still a lot, like 30% of his book or something like that. And then, but he has a system. Every time Bitcoin falls more than 10% in one day, he needs to double down. It doesn't matter. And so he ended up making money instead, because I mean, like, obviously it works back up. Yeah.
Wait, sorry. So I have systems, but not a system like that, basically. So like I have system in pair trading, in finding stuff to short, etc., all those kind of shit, right?
But not in the trading.
Not in that trade. Like, I think there's a different type of. But like, what do you mean by double down when Bitcoin goes down by what?
So like, anytime he sees like a red day when Bitcoin falls more than 10% in one day, he would just buy the next day. That's it. It's as simple as that. Like, even if he's down, if he has capital, he would buy.
Yeah. That's a common known thing actually. If it's 10%, because the rebound is so short. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, that's why I was like asking you, because you're more of like an active trader than me for this sort of stuff. So yeah.
I don't systematically do it, but I like to put sync bits, or I would just long on the day because I'm here every day, right? But like I don't have like, oh, drop 10%, 50% of my portfolio should go there kind of thing. The thing is like I only have a lot of like mini short terms, like systematic trades. For example, like long short ratio on a pair trade. If I know it's coming, I would do this kind of shit.
Have you ever documented your pair trades before? Maybe we should do it for our next content. Like I don't know how useful pair trade is in crypto. I guess if you do like what Taiki did, I guess like you long Bitcoin and like short alts, because that's a pretty good pair trade. But I don't know what else you can do other than what I just described.
I'm long ETH, short ETH L2s a little bit for fun.
Okay.
So like my outcome. So there's a few different type of pair trades, right? Like either things that are similar delta, that because you don't want to exit without problem, you don't want to exit because of like liquidity, then it's fine. The second bit is like my typical pair trades are either I'm extremely convicted in both directions, for example long Bitcoin short out, or I'm not convicted but I want to hedge in something I want to do, which is long ETH, which I don't think is going to work, but I'm shorting ETH L2s because those kind of shit. Cool. And also, I like doing pair trades more is because it gives me more volume.
Yeah, I was thinking that's what you're doing.
Farming fucking thingy. But like,
Okay.
Oh, did I tell you I won a Pudgy Penguin randomly?
Oh, from like Infinix.
Yeah. I don't actually know.
How does that work? Like, so you can sell your Pudgies, or you just win like a free money?
Wait, what does Infinix?
Is it something that we can like gamble on right now?
Yeah, wait, one second.
I had an account, but it's been ages.
Can you see it?
They're still gonna... yes.
Yeah. So it's very interesting. I think it's quite smooth. So this is like a wallet thing from Infinix. So they have something called blood money, basically.
What the hell?
CT Mafia blood money, and it gave me some crakes. But like to get that, I need to import a wallet key into here. But it's pretty good. So I forgot that. So then I just deposited money. I did some trades. It's just Hyperliquid stuff. And then you can do some gacha thing. Then from the gacha you have tickets, and then the tickets. I got a Pudgy. Actually, what does my Pudgy look like? I don't even know.
Wait, I'm claiming my crates. How much crates do you have?
Wait, one second. Can you share your screen?
Sure. Like it's not gonna show like any keys or stuff like that.
No, it's fine. It's okay. Oh, this is what my Pudgy looks like. I don't even know. It's pretty nice, actually.
Wait a minute. So do I just open?
Yeah. The animation is pretty good. How many crates do you have? You have 50. Oh, that's good. Click it. Okay, you have sound. There's no sound. Can you turn on the sound?
The sound is on. It's just not showing it somehow.
Oh, dear.
Yeah. What is this? I get $1?
You get one draw for 1 million.
Okay.
You get lucky draw for their NFT, yeah. Basically, you get like lottery tickets. Yeah.
Lucky draw.
Skip to the end. Did you get the crakes because of your Twitter or what's up? Or because you were...
know. I haven't seen it in a while. I haven't. Yeah, I think it might be my... What is this? CT Mafia and so on. So...
Then you go to crakes again. Click. Then like your vouchers is like an option. So if you go left, top left.
Left.
Those are press the I. Yeah, that's like your option based on the valuation. Is like at what price you can buy and how much. So that's like your token airdrop. Assume FTV, and then you see on your right side, it's like tickets to maybe win certain things.
Okay.
Can you click airdrop?
Yeah, I've claimed this. I think that's where the airdrop's coming from. I don't remember. Yeah. What is this bull run? It's also just gambling, right? I mean, like the gamification is nice. I think you can be. I think people can learn from it. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, I think it's very smoothly done. I like it. Like if you to be honest, top of the class, pretty good.
Dude,
I enjoyed it, but like, I got pudgy, right? Like, so I'm not complaining.
I know we're almost out of time. I know we're almost like out of time, but I want to show you something. Like since we're talking about gambling, and I don't know why my camera is not working, but I saw. Okay, I don't want to sound like a boomer, like oh you shouldn't gamble, but oh my god, man, like I feel like the financialization of everything is actually kind of scary. I saw this startup. It's a fintech. It's not like crypto. Backed by Andreessen. Okay, let me see what's the name. Just give me like a minute if I can find the name. But like I've watched it at like CoffeeZilla channel. I want to get your reaction to this. Let's see. Oh, it's called Covered. Basically, you can gamble on your credit card debt.
What will we come again?
You can gamble on your credit card bills. Wait, here. I was like, what the hell? So, okay, let's watch this.
Fucking hell, gambling for food is like fucking peak degeneracy, man. I like how he makes him wear the Supreme shirt.
I know, right?
But what do you mean? You gamble, and then if you win, they pay you a bill, and then if you lose,
yes.
What the fuck, bro? But what happens if you lose?
I don't know. Wait. Yeah.
But how do you get more tickets? I guess you just spend within their app or something, right?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. It's crazy.
Who invested in this, did you say?
Andreessen, A16Z.
For wow. Was that like recent?
I think it's quite recent. Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, whoops. Yeah, it was. But anyway, I was like, this is so what? So you can try, and then you can bet to win them back, and then like what happens if you lose it? I don't know.
So I'm guessing if you scroll up, right, this is just a gamification credit card. If you scroll down, it looks like their business is the card business actually.
Yeah, trying to purchase down on App Store and win them back. The covered card is a new credit card launching.
Offers up to 100% cash back. Zero.
You mean like if you win the bet, then it's cash back? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So it's basically a credit card, like crypto credit card with a fucking.
It's not crypto. Yeah.
Oh, it's not crypto. It looked like crypto.
Yeah.
It looks like a fucking bullshit NFT project.
Yeah, but I mean, it is still okay. What's here? Sweepstakes.
Yeah. If you have any gacha, there's a sweepstake law that you need to make sure.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing like they just use the fees they get from credit card, and then they just, instead of like giving cash back to everyone, they just lucky draw that shit.
Oh my god!
But I mean, which is fine. It's kind of funny. I would use that actually.
I mean, like we'll see. So like I think maybe I over thought about it. Like if you cannot lose money, or like if you lose like the minimum, like you're like betting $5 in hopes that you would waive like $3,000, then I guess I kind of get it, but it's still yeah.
It's peak degeneracy, bro. Peak degeneracy.
This would be good target. I mean, like they know their target audience. It's like people who are still buying Supreme, like living paycheck to paycheck.
Fucking hell, man. Life is hard. All right, bro.
Anyway,
tap out.
All right, I think that is it for today. So we'll see you guys next week. Hopefully, there's more exciting stuff. Ciao.
Cheers. Bye.